camera app not showing on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guided Studio. If your camera app is missing from any Samsung Galaxy phone, then here is how you can get it back. Super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to get back the camera application, all you have to do is just need to press and hold any empty area from your home screen, and this will give you a few different options. And at the bottom right, you'll get to see the settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings option, and once you're here inside the settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and you'll get the option hide apps on home screen and app screens. You just need to tap on this option, and once you're here inside this one, you'll get to see the camera application has been hidden. So now to unhide this, all you have to do is just need to tap on this minus icon beside the camera. You just need to go ahead and do it and then tap on done, and once you do that, your camera app will be visible to your home screen and app grid. If I come right over here and go to the app library, you'll get to see the camera is back. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.